we're going to talk about Laura Marling's song, Held Down. The song starts in G, goes to D. But she's playing an open D tuning, which means that when you play all the strings with no fingers on it, it plays a D chord. I'm playing in the standard E tuning. I got a lot of reverb on. I'm using a clean guitar sound. Got my bass turned up, and I'm using the neck pickup, which is more bass. Gives you more bass. All right, so most of the song is just this G to D. All right, it's a beautiful song. And then it starts on the melody. Basically, starts on the E, and the bass plays this. But that tells us that there's an E minor implied. E minor 7 to be in particular. So you play that on your 5th string on the 2nd fret. And you play all 6 strings. That gets us through 80% of the song, but what about the other 20%? Let's cover that now. Okay, here's the part. Get lost in the crowd. Say something down. That is going from E minor 7 to G. It repeats for like 4 bars or something. This, and then it goes into like a refrain or something. All right. So lost in the crowd, where I see the unseen. Say what you mean. So what happens there is it goes E minor. Say what you goes to G, mean to D. So that's a counter to the whole song, which was always going G to D. Say what you mean. Then we just go back to the G. This is some kind of chord, like a D chord maybe. But I'm not really sure what chord it is, but you could play the 2nd fret at the G and the B, and then play open E and your D. Go to do that to D. That gets you pretty close, I think, to the open tuning sound. And what you could do is, if you wanted to play before that, you could play an A sus. Wait. So the A sus is just your fingers on the D and G strings at the 2nd fret. Alright, so hopefully that'll get you pretty close on this beautiful song by Laura Marling, and very amazing lyrics, very deep song about relationships. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.